Morning, children.
Good morning, Miss. How are you, Miss?
Good.
Good morning,
And you?
madam. How are you, madam?
Who is it? Who is this
Kasim
boy,
Reza
beta?
Daudani.
Who is this boy?
You also, Fazil. Don't tell my name.
Who is this boy? I said.
Kasim Reza Daudani.
Kasim Rissa. He does not know how to
You
behave
also,
at his.
Fazil. Don't tell lie. Tell your name also.
Next time, if it happens, beta, you are not in my class. Am I clear? Whoever are doing is one
Miss
or is
Asalia
two.
Muhammad Fazil was there also.
I'm
Does
Kasim
not
Reza.
matter. That's what I said. If it is you or is it Fazil, whatever, whoever it is there. Next time, you will not be there in my class. There are certain things which I don't agree with. One is your behavior. If you do not know how to behave, please don't be in the class. Learn and then be. It's not the first time that you have done. If it is a habit of yours, do it where it is required, not with me. I will remove you better. And don't let me do that, please. You are a good boy, I know that. So please limit your behavior accordingly.
Sorry, Miss. Now it will not happen.
It will not happen. I'm telling you, it will not happen. I will not even ask you, I will not give you any chance, better. I've already given you two, three chances already. But still you are not improving. You should be told only once, not repeatedly. If a child does not understand once, then I should leave.
Ma'am, repeat.
Is this the way to start a class? I'm sorry, I can only say I'm sorry. Yes, who wants to read better?
Ma'am, Mohammed Zaki Wakil.
Okay, Saki. And read properly, you will not shout, normal
Yes,
tone, okay?
yes,
No repetition. I'm telling you what how you have to read. No
yes,
repetition,
yes,
no pause in between the words, except full
yes,
stop
ma'am.
and comma. Okay,
Yes,
Zaki,
ma'am.
start.
Yes, ma'am. Introduction. In our daily life, we use a large number of edible substances such as lemon, baking soda, tamarind, common salt, and vinegar, etc. Acids, bases, and salts are the three important groups of chemical substances that are used by us in different ways.
That's it. Now, what we see over here that we are eating many varieties of substances. Yes or no? The whole day we are eating something or the other, right? But when you taste it, it is different. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. For example, let's talk about lemon. How does it taste? Sour. Baking soda, it tastes bitter. Tamarind, sour. Common salt, salty. Vinegar, sour. Right, beta? So all the tastes are different. Now that shows that there is a presence of either acid, bases, or salts. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this clear? Now here they are showing a pH scale. Now this pH scale tells you regarding the substances which are acid, which are neutral, or which are basic. Is this clear? The scale
Yes, ma'am.
is having from 0 to 14. So what is the scale? From 0 to,
14. 0 to 14.
that's how you should understand. Now, broadly, till 6, what is it? Acidic. Can you see better? What is written down? Acidic. 7, only 7. It is neutral. From 8 to from 8 to 14, it is alkaline. Is this understandable? Hello.
Yeah.
What you have to learn? This is danger. Danger means acid. Less than 7. Alkaline more than 7. This is how you have to remember. Is this clear? Acid is less than 7. Base is more than 7. That's how you have to remember. And what is neutral? 7. What is neutral, beta? 7. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
So what is neutral? What have I circled?
Water.
So water is neutral. Nowadays, water is acidic. Remember that. Nowadays, water is acidic. Why? You just test water, you will not find a nutrient will be acidic. Why? Because the pipeline which is carrying the water may be due to corrosion or maybe due to abrasion, some of the metal is getting corroded, is mixing with the water and it is making it acidic. Understood? So nowadays, the water is not neutral but it has become acidic. The battery that you have, the stomach acid is HCl, lemon, vinegar, tomato, milk, coffee, all are acidic. Now, generally, what is the taste? Sour taste. Most of them have got sour taste.
Artist.
Now, let's come to the other side. Baking soda, ammonia solution, bleach, soap, brain cleaner, stomach tablets, blood.
Base.
It is all base.
Base. Then water is neutral.
What is neutral?
Yes,
No taste. It does not have any taste. Right, beta?
okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we're going to read to start with
Acids.
introductory part. Have you understood what are we going to read in this chapter?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Regarding
Yes.
acids, regarding bases, and regarding salts. Right, beta? And now we are going to see one by one what are the properties of acids, bases, and salts separately. Now we'll start with acids. Start, beta.
Yes. Acids. Curd, orange juice, and vinegar taste salt due
Start.
to sour due to acids present in them. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The acids in these substances is natural acids. Acid has been derived from a Latin word acidus, means sour, which means sour.
Don't
Acids
repeat.
can. Okay, ma'am.
Who's reading, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Rohit.
No, 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 Zaki.
Zaki. Zaki, don't repeat, please. Because when you're repeating, the essence of reading is gone.
Okay, ma'am.
So it becomes useless. So you have to make it, more impactful. It is not, your effort is wasted. Find that. It is not meaningful. So when you repeat, it is becoming useless. So don't do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Try not to repeat. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes. Acids can be natural, found in plants and animals. They are weak acids. Example, lactic acid, acetic acid. Artificial, made in labs. They are strong acids.
Example,
Example, HCI,
hydrochloric. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid,
hydrochloric acid, sulfuric
sulfuric
acid, and
acid,
nitric acid.
nitric acid. Okay, so you are learning something new today in detail. Now you are learning something new in detail. So please pay attention, all of you. How many of you are there? 12 or 13? How many are you present?
Eight
How many?
plus 4, 12.
12 are present, right? So all 12 of you, please pay attention. Then and then only you will understand better. So no diversion. Do not get diverted here and there. Just concentrate on whatever I am teaching you. Now, I want to ask you, you had curd?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have curd? Can you hear me? Yes. So do you have curd or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is curd? Dahi. You know what
Dahi.
is dahi?
Yes, dahi.
Yes. So that is curd. Then
Yes,
orange juice.
made
You know
from milk.
orange juice? You know or
Yeah.
not? Vinegar, you know?
Orange.
Yes.
Yes. So what is the
Yes,
taste?
ma'am. Vinegar.
Sour. What is the taste? What is the taste? Sour. Why? Because they have acid. What they have? Acids. So what it is? It is acidic. Now these are natural acids. These are
Yes.
natural acids. So nothing is synthesized. There is no chemical. This is purely natural. From where this word has come? From the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Is this clear? Now the acids are two. One is natural and the other one is artificial. Is this clear? Whenever I talk about artificial, you should understand that we are making it. We are manufacturing it. We are preparing it. Natural means,
Man-made.
natural means, yes, man-made. Very good. Natural means it is found in nature. And from where we
Yes.
get? One is plant and the
From
other one is
plants.
animal.
Animal.
But these natural acids are generally weak acids. What are they? Weak acids. Okay?
Yes.
What is the example? Lactic acid. Where do you get lactic acid? Milk. Where do you get lactic acid, beta? Milk. And where you get acetic acid? Vinegar.
Yes.
Is it understandable to all of you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Now, artificial. They are made in labs, laboratories, and they are very strong acids. HCl is hydrochloric acid. You know where is hydrochloric acid in our body? Can you tell me where do we find hydrochloric acid in our body? Because we have hydrochloric acid, and that is strong hydrochloric acid. Can anyone tell me where is hydrochloric acid in our body? You know or not?
Digest.
Any one of you know? Yes or no? Tell me, better. Let's not waste time.
Oh, ma'am.
No. So hydrochloric acid we have in our body in what have I written?
Stomach.
Now you got some information. So in
Ma'am, but
stomach, which acid?
hydrochloric acid is so strong, so he
What?
acid can damage our stomach also. Na.
What are you saying? Which acid are you talking about? I
In
said
our
HCl
system.
acid is already present in our stomach and our food gets digested in that acid. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And that's why we tell you not to drink soft drinks because the soft drink has got carbonic acid and when it goes inside the body, the acidity increases. You get the heartburn and your digestion gets spoiled because we are increasing the acid in our body by having carbonated drink, by having soft drink. Is this clear? That fizz sound that you get when you
Yes,
open
ma'am.
the
Clear.
bottle, that fizzy sound that you get, that is all carbon dioxide gas. And do you think carbon dioxide gas is good for our health? You are adding carbon dioxide gas in your body. Our lungs is taking out carbon dioxide from our body, and you are drinking and having carbon dioxide in our body. This is what we do. Is this clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Clear.
don't make it a habit to drink carbonated drinks. Is this clear? Once in a while you can have, but not on a regular basis. Now I want to show you the formula of sulfuric acid. What is it, beta? See, S2SO4. Is this clear?
Yes.
Nitric acid, HNO3. These are the chemical formula. What is this called, is beta? Chemical formula. Is this
Yes.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to ask me any question regarding acids, beta?
No.
All of you understood? 12 of you understood?
Yes. Understood.
Now it is in point form. That was descriptive. This is in point form. Please start with it.
Ma'am, sure means
It's not sour, it is sour. Khatta.
okay, ma'am.
Don't worry, you can ask me any question. If you're not able to understand in English, I will speak it in Hindi or Gujarati, okay?
Okay, okay.
Right. Not right, sorry. Read it. Sour in taste, then what happened? Hello? What happened? Better start reading. Boys, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So why don't you read, better? If you can see the slides, start reading. Why do you have to call you? Start reading, I said. What happened? Hello?
Yes.
You're saying yes, ma'am, but start reading, I said, beta. Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Sour in taste, and then what is the second point? Boys, what is the second point? Can you hear me?
Produce H plus hydrogen ion.
Then next,
Turn blue limited red.
blue litmus it is. Read properly. Turns blue litmus red. Next, next,
Acid plus material salt.
metal salt.
Metal salt. Hydrogen gas. Cooled at
Conduct, conduct.
conduct electricity are
Corrosive. What is the written bracket? What is written in bracket? Acid rain. What is written, beta? Acid rain.
acid rain,
What is the last
Sit
point?
down.
pH less than 7,
What is there's something wrong over here? It should be, isn't it, beta?
10.
Yes, Dan. This is then. This one is then, and this is Dan. That's the difference between two words in pronunciation. Okay, fine. Let's repeat it again. It is sour in taste. What is the meaning of sour? Lemon. What is the taste of lemon, beta? Boys, what is the taste of lemon? Sour. Okay. This gives out hydrogen ions. You don't have to learn this point. Please don't learn this point, but this is the extra information. It gives out hydrogen ions. This is the function of acid. The second one is it turns to red. That is danger. This is how you should understand. This is danger. What is danger? Red color is danger. So it is changing from blue to red. How you will remember? Blue to red. Is this clear? Is this clear, beta? And when the reaction happens, we will add acids. We'll take acid, then we take metal salt, and you pass the hydrogen gas. What you will see? That is conducting electricity. What is pH? pH is less than 7. Let's see the examples of acids. Yes, better read. Yes, boys, start reading. Boys, if you can hear me, start reading.
Vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, turmeric,
What? After curd, what is written? Tamarind.
tamarind, black tea, apple juice, unfair mango,
Unripe.
unripe mango, grapes.
So all these things are sour. Vinegar, you know, it's an acetic acid.
Example of acids.
Yeah. It's all examples of lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind. What is tamarind, beta?
I
What is
don't,
tamarind?
I don't know.
Amli. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
tamarind? Amli.
Only.
Now you take a rough book and start writing all these things which you do not know. Amla, you know Amla, beta?
No, ma'am.
Amla, you do not know?
No.
Avda, Avda,
Yes, yes.
gooseberry. Avda. You got a small one and you got a big one which you make murabbas. You can have it raw. It is very rich in vitamin C. Apple juice,
Let's see apple
unripe
juice.
mango, grapes, all these are sour.
About acid. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste good.
Sour.
These substances is sour because they contain acids.
Then, then the chemical nature. Hello,
Chemical nature of the such substance is acid.
acidic.
The acid. The word acid come from the Latin word acid,
Latin word.
which
Latin word.
uh,
Acer.
acid, which means sour. The acid is these substances are natural acids.
Now we know that curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, they are tasting like sour. Why? Because they have acids. They are acidic. The word came from the Latin word acer, that means sour, and these are all natural acids. Is this clear? Is this clear? It's more of a repetition. We have already done in the first slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? It's more of repetition.
Yes.
So, some more acids to learn. Please read
Start.
one by one. Name of acids found in. Say, name of acids found in. And if you do not know, please write on a piece of paper as it is. You will get it, the uploaded video. But I wish that to understand it in a better manner, you can have one diary with you. And whatever new things you learn, you just jot it down. Can you do that, beta?
Yes.
Do that, it will help you a lot. Yes, let's start with the first one, that is hydrochloric acid. Now, I told you again, hydrochloric acid, where do you get beta? Stomach. Where do you get? HCl.
Yes.
What is hydrochloric acid?
Yes.
HCl. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this clear? Okay. Now, sulfuric acid. What is sulfuric acid? H2SO4. Is this clear? Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Where do you get it? In car batteries. Where do you get it, beta? Car batteries. Now we come to nitric acid. What is nitric acid? HNO3. And you get in explosives. Now, explosive is what? Dynamites, crackers, bombs. All these have nitric acid. Is this clear? Is this clear? Then we come to acetic acid. You get acetic acid in vinegar. Now, just now I told you in sodas and colas, what you get? Carbonic acid, which is rich in carbon dioxide. Is this understandable? Hello?
Yes. I'm understood.
Say only yes. Don't pull your yes too much. Then we have
Yes.
phosphoric acid. What acid we have? Phosphoric acid. Okay. What we do? Flavorings common acid. Flavoring means you get types of sodas, ginger soda, lemon soda, and mint soda. All these types of flavors you get. That in flavors we are using phosphoric acid. Then let's come to the formic acid. The formic acid you get in the ant sting. When ant bites you and you get that itchiness, you get that pain, the stinging pain is due to the presence of formic acid, which is given by the ant. Citric acid. So any citrus family, that's lemon, orange, uh, sweet limes, all these are in the citric family.
Yes.
Salt. Lactic acid, I told you, curd. Now, curd, you get it from milk. Isn't it, Vita? From where you
Yes.
get curd? Curd, you get it from milk. So, lactic acid we observe in milk as well as curd. Oxalic acid, you get in spinach. Now, what is called spinach, Vita? Do you know? Do anyone of you know what is spinach? It is palak. It is palak. Homework notebook. Collect.
Yes. Allah.
Science fair book, collect and write on the name. Write on the name, not here. Make one list I told you, the way you used to make, and to this date that they have submitted. Okay, beta.
Hello.
Yes, I was talking to ninth standard. Okay, so you know palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Palak is spinach. What is palak, beta? This is what you are learning today.
Yes.
You're learning so many new names. What do you say?
Ma'am, palak ni bhaji.
Yes, palak bhaji is spinach. Bhaji is what? Bhaji is all leafy vegetables, right, beta? So we can
Yes,
say
green
methi
vegetable.
bhaji, palak bhaji, tanduria,
Green.
Right? You know that, Tanjil, the red colored leaves, red bhaji. There are varieties of bhaji.
Yes,
We'll
yes,
not call it
yes.
bhaji. We'll call it as palak. Now we come to ascorbic acid. Now ascorbic, where do you get? Amra. You know amra? And citrus fruits, what are citrus fruits? These are the citrus fruits, lemons and all. So you get ascorbic acid as well. Now we have the tartaric acid. So what is the tartaric acid? Very sour. They are tamarind, amli, grapes, angus,
Yes.
unripe mangoes, that is green mangoes. What are unripe mangoes, beta? Green mangoes.
Green
What we
mango.
make
Kacha.
for pickles? We use it for pickles. Please put off your mic. Please, all of you, put off your mic. Thank you. Have you understood this much
Yes.
nicely? Any problem?
Yes.
Problem you
No.
can ask me. So now acid is over. That's why I'm asking you. Acid is over. Do you want to ask me any question regarding acid?
No.
Please, beta.
No, ma'am. No doubt. No question in acid.
Now we will have bases. The next topic that we are going to take up is bases. Right, beta? Hello. Right? Start, Didi. Start reading, beta. Hello. If you can hear me, start reading. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Basis. For example, making soda. It is not so in the
Start.
taste.
Start,
So,
beta.
so
Once
in
more.
the taste. So it is not acid, but it is better. It is better is taste
Bitter.
and
Bitter. Say it again.
bitter.
Bitter. Very good. It is bitter in taste. Continue. Continue. Zaki, continue.
Okay, but yes. Basis. For example, baking soda, it is not sour in taste, so it is not acidic, but it is bitter in taste and feels soapy on touching. So these are bases. The nature of these substances is basic. These can also be called alkalis.
Alkalis. Say
Alkalis.
alkalis.
Alkalis. Example: potassium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide.
Ammonium. See, I'm not helping you out. I want you to read on your own, and you're doing good. Ammonium hydroxide. What is it, Rita?
Ammonium, yes,
Hydroxide.
hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide.
Good. Now we'll do in detail what are basics. Baking soda. Now, where your mama is using baking soda? In making cakes. Right? Baking soda she's using in making
Yes.
pizza bread maybe, making cakes maybe. Right, beta? Then tandoori roti you make, missy rotis, in that also you add baking soda. So to make it fluffy, we use baking soda for baking
Yes.
items. So now that is not sour in taste, but actually it is bitter. Now what is called bitter? Kadwa. Bitter is like Karela. What is Karela known as? Karela, it is known as bitter gourd. What it is known, bitter? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is Karela. Is this understandable? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? So that is called neem. Neem leaves. When you taste neem leaves, what is the taste? Bitter. Is it clear?
Yes.
And when you touch it, you feel soapy. So that means all detergents and the soap that you are having is all base. Right, bitter?
Yes.
The soap and the detergent for washing powder that you are using at home is all base. So they become bases. They are basic, and hence the other name of base is alkalis also. What are they called as? Alkalis. So bases has got another name which is known as alkali. Okay, beta? Now, what are the examples? Potassium hydroxide. See the formula? K is potassium. K is potassium and OH is hydroxide. So K is potassium and OH is hydroxide. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see sodium hydroxide. Can you see the sodium hydroxide? NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
Then comes soap. Can you see the soap
Yes.
or detergent? These are all alkalis or bases. You want to ask me any question?
No. No, ma'am. No doubt. No question.
Read. Start reading it out.
Yes.
Hello.
Base. Base bitter to taste. Soapy to touch. Water soluble base are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Tones. Red litmus blue. pH greater than 7.
What do you see over here? And if you taste it, the soda, let's talk about soda. If you taste soda, you find it bitter, right, bitter? Soda water is also bitter to taste. When you touch it, it is soapy. Now, if you dissolve it in water, that become alkali. So, confirmed is that all alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. That means all bases do not dissolve in water. Is this clear?
Yes.
It turns red litmus blue and pH is greater than 7. Is this clear?
Yes.
See examples of base. What is first one? Read better.
Detergent.
Detergent. Then
Baking soda. King cleaner. Pan cleaner.
antacid base. Hello. Hello. Can you read it? Antacid base. Then
Acid base, ammonia soaps, and dish, lime water, milk of magnesia.
so what we see is detergent. You know what are detergent? Washing powder. Baking soda for making cakes. Drain cleaner, when your drain gets clogged, it gets choked, the water does not go inside the drain, we use a drain cleaner. Antacid base, it's used in medicine. Ammonia soaps, that is for hand wash and dish wash, we use ammonia soaps. Lime water, what is lime water? Soda, I think you know that. And milk of magnesia. That milk of magnesia is a form of antacid. That means whenever you have acidity, you can have milk of magnesia, which is called as Digene. You know that Digene chocolates, you get Digene tablets. That is milk of magnesia. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this clear, beta? I think we have come to close of today's session. Just check. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's 10:15 already. Yes, beta. So
Yes,
close.
ma'am. 16.
Yes, it's 10:15, isn't it, beta? So if I forget,
Yes.
please remind me, beta. I tend to forget. Please, you should remind me. We have taken 2 minutes more. I'm sorry, beta. So have a good day. and be good to your parents. Okay, bye, beta.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.